Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to our YouTube channel Lesson by Akbar School. I am Akbar and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is interesting trick to multiply. This trick is used to multiply two same numbers having the unit digit equal to 5. For example, we can multiply 35 with 35 and 65 with 65. Now we will explain the method how we multiply these two numbers. Let us an example. We have to multiply 35 with 35. As we see that both of the numbers are same and also their unit digit is also 5, so we can multiply these two numbers by using this interesting trick. As we see, 35 is multiplied by 35 and answer is 1235. In this multiplication method, we will multiply the unit digit with unit digit, which means 5 is multiplied by 5 and the answer is 25. And the digit which is at tens place, first of all we will add 1 in one digit, which becomes 4, and then we will multiply 3 by 4, which is equal to 12, which means the answer of 35 multiplied by 35 is equal to 12 and 25. And similarly, we can multiply other numbers by using this method. For example, we can multiply 65 with 65 and answer is 4225. And we can multiply 75 with 75 and the answer is 5625. And we can also multiply 45 with 45 and the answer is 2025. This was our interesting method to multiply same numbers having the same unit digit and equal to 5. So enjoy this trick of multiplication for such numbers, and thanks for watching the videos, and for more educational videos please subscribe our channel. And once again, thanks for watching the video. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.